The president has stated and reiterated his commitment to nominating a black woman to the Supreme Court and certainly stands by that.
It's the end of an era here at the Supreme Court. For 27 years, Justice Stephen Breyer has been a voice for compromise and consensus in a time of sharp divisions on the court. And his retirement is a huge opportunity for President Biden and Democrats to shape the court with a new justice from a new era, likely deepening those divisions. Justice Stephen Breyer is expected to announce he will retire from the Supreme Court at the end of this term. The move paves the way for President Biden to make his first Supreme Court appointment while Democrats still hold the presidency and the Senate. Now the search for Breyer's successor is underway, and Democratic supporters are looking to hold the president to his campaign promise.
We talked about the Supreme Court. I'm looking forward to making sure there's a black woman on the Supreme Court to make sure we, in fact, get every representation.
Now the White House insists Biden won't shy away from that pledge. If confirmed, the president's pick will replace the oldest member of the court. Now 83 years old, Stephen Breyer was appointed by President Clinton way back in 1994. And although he frequently sides with the court's liberal justices, he has always maintained that the court is not a political institution.
My experience of more than 30 years since the appeals court as a judge has shown me that once men and women take the judicial oath, they take that oath to heart. They are loyal to the rule of law, not to the political party that helped to secure their appointment.
Breyer will leave a lasting legacy on the bench, supporting the Affordable Care Act, expanding free speech, and defending a woman's right to choose by upholding abortion rights. In recent years, progressives have called for his retirement so a younger liberal justice can replace him.
Russian President Vladimir Putin has now studied America's response on these security issues. The Kremlin saying this morning that Moscow's full response will be swift. The outcome, of course, could make the difference between war and peace in Ukraine.
The Kremlin responding to America's refusal to give Russia security guarantees over Ukraine. The Russian Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov saying there's no positive reaction on the main issue in this document, but there are grounds on other issues to keep on talking. The US ambassador to Russia hand-delivering a formal written response to Moscow's security demands, but the Biden administration refusing to agree to Putin's central request, a guarantee Ukraine will never join NATO.
We make clear that there are core principles that we are committed to uphold and defend, including Ukraine's sovereignty and territorial integrity, and the right of states to choose their own security arrangements and alliances.
The US still preparing for all scenarios as 8,500 American troops remain on high alert and additional US military aid, including anti-tank missiles and ammunition, continue to arrive.
Right now, the document is with them and the ball is in their court. Whether they choose the path of diplomacy and dialogue, whether they decide to renew aggression against Ukraine, we're prepared either way.